Hello guys, it's me, Chris here, and we are doing a 102 views special. And right now we're just looking through some videos that we used to do every time, anytime. And it's been pretty fun really making videos with you guys. And I wanted to make a special. And I always wanted to have 110 views in just like 2 months. Well, I know that our goal for 750 subscribers won't achieve, but I'm assuming in 2 years it will. So guys, I really thank you for liking and leaving comments for me. And next time, I'll be back with exits. Okay, guys. Okay, and goodbye.